Whether a teacher or student, if your organization uses Google Docs, one of the questions you may have is, what happens to all of my files when I leave? When I graduate, if you're a student, what happens to all of those projects and everything that I've worked on? They just delete my account. It's gone. I need that work. Well, let me tell you, the responsibility is on you, but the process is really, really simple. Using a tool called Google Takeout. I have just 6 documents here just for example purposes, but if all you do is just go to google.com/takeout for Google Takeout, and it'll have you sign in, and it gives you this option right here where you can create an archive of all of these different applications, including contacts, documents, web albums if you've stored photos, and Google Voice. Teachers, I think that's really good for you if you use Google Voice. You can also just go to this button here to choose services, and for example purposes, I'm just going to say Docs. And you'll notice it'll be a really quick process here because we only have 6 files. Don't worry, I've done this process myself with over 700 files. Really, really simple. Took about 9 minutes total to download the files. I'm going to click on this button, Create Archive. See, I already did this once, but I'm, doing an example, so got to show you again. And it says that it's complete. Problem, I don't see it anywhere. Actually, what's happened is it's sort of started the process, but I want to click on this download button. I want to make sure that I see that it's actually downloading on my computer. And I see that it's done so. So I'm going to open up this file. And notice that there's a folder here that should have the account information, and inside of it is another folder called Docs. This is the folder that you just want to extract. You want to extract it onto your desktop or wherever, because that is where all of your documents now are. And using my suggestion would be just to have a free Gmail account, open up a free regular personal Gmail account and go to Documents and upload this entire folder. You can rename it, you can call it your organization's name if you need to, and just upload it. You can also use other cloud services like Dropbox, something like that you just want to have it all on there. And then also administrators. This is a really helpful tool if you want to be able to back up all of your files locally. There's always that concern, what if Google loses my stuff? I'm always under the impression that you're more likely to lose your stuff than Google is, but just in case, you can also use this as sort of a ad hoc backup system. But there you go, students, teachers, administrators, whatever organization you're in, those files, they are yours. You can take them with you. Use Google Takeout.